Hello, in this video we will explore different operators in JavaScript, including arithmetic, comparison, logical, and assignment operators. Operators in JavaScript are like the tools in a programmer's toolbox. They enable us to perform operations on variables and values. Let's dive in and explore the different types. Arithmetic operators. We can perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and module and finding remainder with these operators. Let's add script tag for JavaScript code. We are going to take two variables, let x is equal to 5 and let y is equal to 3. We can find the sum of x and y and store it in the variable sum, like let sum is equal to x plus y. Here x and the plus operator will add the value of x into y into x and store the result in some variable. Let's print out the value of sum, console.log sum. Here 8 is the sum of variable x, which was 5, and variable y, which was 3. We can also perform other operations like subtraction, x minus y. 5 minus 3, this will be 2. Yes, here 2. 5 minus 3, the result is 2. Console.log x multiply y. 5 multiply 3, the result is 15. 5 divided by 3 and console.log x modulus y. Here we performed addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and find the remainder between two variables, which was x and y. The value of x was 5 and the value of y is 3. Comparison operators. Next, we have the comparison operators. They help us make logical comparisons between values. These operators return Boolean values indicating whether the comparison is true or false. For example, let's take two values, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to, let b is equal to 5. We can check if these values are equal or not by equals operator. Console.log a equal b. Here, the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 5. So we will have false on the screen. Yeah, here, false. 5 is not equals to 10, so false is printed. The second operator is strictly equals, which also check the data type. For example, 1, which is an integer, is equal to 1, which is a string. The simple equals operator return true, but the strictly equals operator will return false because it also checks the data type. Next, we have not equals operator. Not equal will return, for example, 10 is not equals to 5, which is true because both values are not equal, and 10 is not equals to 10, which is false because 10 is equals to 10. And we also have a not strictly equal operator, or you can say strictly not equals operator. 10 is not equal to 10. 2. In comparison operators, we also have the operator greater than operator and less than operator. For example, 10 is greater than 10, which is false because 10 is not greater than 10. Or you can say 10 is greater than 5, which is true because 10 is greater than 5. And less than operator, 5 is less than 10, which is true. And the second host is greater than equal to. We can also check 10 is greater than or equal to 10, which is true because it's not greater than, but it is equals to 10. And same as that, 4 is less than equals to 5. It is true because 4 is less than 5. So we learned about comparison operators, in which we discussed about a simple equal operator, strictly equals operator, not equals operator, and greater than operator, less than operator, greater than equal to, and less than equals to operator. Logical operators. Now let's talk about logical operators, the decision makers in your code. Logical operators help you combine and manipulate Boolean values to make decisions. For example, let's sunny day is equal to true and let weekend is equal to false. So we first we will learn about logical AND operator, which is represented by double ampersand sign. Console.log weekend and sunny day. So here we have false for weekend and sunny day. Let's divide this by logical operators. So weekend and sunny day. The value of weekend is true and the value of sunny day is false. So we have false here. And condition will return true when all options are true, which means that true and true will return true, otherwise it will return false. For example, true and false is false, false and false is false, false and true is also false. It will return true only when both conditions are true. The second operator is OR operator. For example, console.log weekend or sunny day. So we have true for weekend or sunny day because OR operator will return true if any of the condition or any of the option is true. For example, true or false is true, false or true is also true. It will return false if both conditions are false or both options are false. So the AND operator will be true if both conditions or both options are true, and the OR operator is false if both options are false. The third one is NOT operator. NOT operator will just reverse our result. For example, not false will return true and not true will return false. Assignment operators. These operators let you perform an operation and assignment. The result is in one step. For example, let num is equal to 10. Here we assign the value 10 to the variable name num. Num plus is equal to 5. Now the value of num is 15. Here we are performing two operations. One is addition and the other is assignment. We can also break this like num is equal to num plus 5. We can check the value of num on the console. Num is now 20. Because here we assign the value 10 to num and we added 5. Num plus is equal to 5. Now the value of num is 15 and again we added 5. The value of num is 20. We make simple comparisons. We make simple assignments like let with simple is equal to operator, let a is equal to 5. We already declared a in the previous section. Let b is equal to 5. So v is assigned to the value of 5, and we can also perform multiple operations like addition and equals and assignment operation in one step. V plus is equal to 5 will add the value of 5 into the previous value of v. Now the new value of v is 10. We can do this assignment operations with previously learned arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus operator like v minus is equal to 3. The value of v is now updated and 3 is subtracted from 10, which was the previous value of v. V multiply is equal to 3. The value of v is now multiplied by 3 and the new value 21 is assigned to the variable v. Like this you can do division and assignment and modulus operator and assignment. The last updated value of v is 0.5. That's it for arithmetic comparison, logical and assignment operators with JavaScript. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more programming content.